Good morning, students. This is a closed figure. See the figure. This is a closed figure. A, B, C, D, E are the vertices of the figure. The question is, find the area of enclosed by each of the following figures. That is the question. How to find the area of this figure? To find the area, divide this figure into two parts. One is in the shape of, if you draw AC, this shape is in the form of square. A, C, D, E. This is a square. Next, this is in the shape of triangle. Now, how to find the area of the square? Here, this side is 4 centimeters, this side is 4 centimeters, this is also 4 centimeters, this is also 4 centimeters. It means 4 sides are equal. So, this is a square. Now, find the area of the square first. Now, side of the area, side of the square, ACDE is equal to 4 centimeters. Side of the square ACDE, this is in the shape of square. So, its side is 4 centimeters. Then area is equal to side into side. Side into side. 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. Centimeter square or square centimeters. Centimeter square. First of all, over. Second one, this is in the shape of triangle. ABC is a triangle. What is its base? This is the base. What is its length? This is 4 centimeters. Now, base AC is equal to 4 centimeters. Next, what is its height? See here, this is a line. This total length is 6 centimeters. It means from here to here, bottom to top, the length is 6 centimeters. What is the length of BC? 4 centimeters. Remaining is 2 centimeters. This is the height. Now, height, it means H equal to 2 centimeters. Now, base, height. Next, area of the triangle. Area of the triangle. What is the name of the triangle? ABC is equal to half into B into H. Half BH. Half into B into H. That's equal to 1 by 2 into B means base. How much? 4. H, height is equal to 2 centimeters. 1 by 2 into 4 into 2. This 2 cancel. 4 centimeters square. Area always shown in square centimeters or centimeter square. If it is in meters, meter square or square meters. Okay, now total area of the figure. Total area of the figure is equal to area of square plus area of triangle. That is equal to area of square 16 centimeter square plus area of triangle 4 centimeter square. 16 plus 4, 20 centimeter square. This is the total area of the figure. One more question. One more question. A, B, C, D, E. The length from here to here, it was horizontally 28 centimeters. Next, BC equal to 15 centimeters, CD equal to 20 centimeters. These are the measurements. Now, add A and D. A and D. Now, this figure was in the shape of rectangle. AB, BC, CD, DA. This shape is in the shape. This is in the shape of rectangle. Length equal to 20 centimeters. Breadth is equal to 15 centimeters. Now, length of ABCD rectangle. ABCD rectangle equal to 20 centimeters. Its breadth is equal to 15 centimeters. Area equal to length into breadth. Area of the rectangle equal to length into breadth. L into B. 20 into 15. 300 centimeters square. Next, what is this shape? This is in the shape of triangle. Now, what is base? AD is the base. Base of the triangle ADE be equal to 15 centimeters. Its height H is equal to, total length is 28 centimeters. From here to here the distance is 20 centimeters. Remaining how much? 8 centimeters. Next, area of the triangle of BH 1 by 2 into 15 into 8. Base 15, height 8. These two cancel here 4 times. 15 fours are 60 centimeter square. This is the area of the rectangle. This is the area of the triangle. Total area of the figure. Total area of the figure equal to area of rectangle plus area of triangle. What is the area of the rectangle? 300 centimeters square plus area of the triangle is 60 centimeters square. Total 360 centimeter square. Okay, right.